In this video, we shall be teaching how to do your GS orientation. That is for your GS courses, but we'll be touching the just enter into your school portal. Then sign in with your ledge number and password. After you are done signing in, then allow it to load. Allow it to load. Okay. After you are done signing in, go to the place the light SGS. On the down part of your screen, you see a place the light SGS. You now click on it. SGS. You now click on the SGS and go to Learning Management System for GS. The Learning Management System for GS. You click on that Learning Management System and allow it to load. Sometimes it used to take time. I will advise you go to a place that has a lot of network and try it. Then allow the Learning Management System to load. It used to take time sometimes. It used to take time sometimes. It used to take time. So once it has opened, you go and select that course you want to do the orientation, like you do for your various GS. But what I'll be teaching is for IGBO. Yes, I'll be teaching for how to do the IGBO on. So you have clicked on the IGBO on tutorial. So allow it to load again. Once it has opened, scroll down to where the light P. You see a place that the light P. Click on it. After clicking on it, allow it to load. After allowing it to load, then you will see a theory question and also an objective question for you. Nye nkọwa banyere agụmagụ. That is, what is agụmagụ? You now have to write it. I'll still provide a definition in the comment section so you can copy it. Then this one, the second question, will now be asked, Ana m aga ụlọ ụka. What does it mean? That is, I'm going to the church. You now click the correct answer. You can see, you just pasted it. Then go to that place they said Ana m aga ụlọ ụka. Just choose the correct answer. The correct answer is E. I am going to church. Yes, I am going to church. Ana m aga ụlọ ụka. So after you are done, you click on the answer, that is E. After you have clicked on it, you now click on finish attempt. That finish attempt that is there, you click on it, and then finish attempt, you now confirm it. You confirm it and then submit. It will mark the objective question for you. That first objective, it will mark it, and then it will tell you that the first, you can see answer saved. Then you will write submit all and finish. After submit all and finish, it will now mark the objective for you, objective question for you, and then the theory, it will tell you that you should check back after they have reviewed it. Yes, to check back after they have reviewed it. So that is all you need to know on how to answer this. Thank you.